Hey guys, it's Paula from Hugs Beads. I can't believe that we are in March already. Can you believe it? It just seems to be flying this year. So before I get any busier, I wanted to give a moment to talk to you about one of my collections that I started last year, the Celtic collection. And I've added a few more pieces to it that I thought you might be interested in seeing. So in honor of St. Patrick's Day coming up soon on March 17th, let's go take a look. Okay, so here we are with the first of the collection. These are the Celtic love knot necklaces that I make, and these are particularly lovely. These are my best sellers actually in my shop. These are made with the blue crystals and with the little metal beads around the edges, and then these really gorgeous peacock blue stroke green colored beads around the edges. And the center is a polymer clay handmade cabochon with a Celtic design with these love hearts, which really are pretty. And I just put a little bit of metallic blue paint on those just to give it a little shine. Very, very pretty. And both of these colors are very popular. So I have the blue one and the green one in the emerald. And again, on this one I have the emerald crystals. You see it's really sparkly. And then the copper and bronze metal beads around the edge with the peacock beads also around the cabochon, which is handmade from polymer clay. Now I do make a purple one too, but I actually just recently sold that one, so I can't actually show you that. But I can show you, this is how I make the polymer clay and then I attach it to the foundation. So I make these individually. These actually go into an oven to bake like you would do clay, and then they cure, and then I hand paint them. And as you can see, it's got a little shine to it. So it starts off with that, and then I hand bead it around the edges on the foundation, and then finish off with the crystals. So that's those. I wanted to show you those. Now to add to that, this year I've created a few more pieces. So in addition to the love knot collection, I have the Trinity knot collection. And these are the same principle with the polymer clay handmade centers with the bead embroidery, and I have them in purple, blue, green, and bronze. I don't have the green one pictured here, but the green one has a different edging to the blue and the purple. The bronze also has its own different type of edging. I tried to make a little lacy edge on this one to make it a little bit different. But I don't have a green one to show you, unfortunately. But you can go to my website and see that on the website if you want to see what the green one is. But here we have the Trinity symbol, which is another Celtic knot, and it represents the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, which I think is really nice. And this one again has that green blue peacock bead color with the fire polished crystals along the edge. Really, really pretty. And the purple one has this light mauve and purple beads around the edge. Oh, there's the back. The back are all in black ultra suede, which is very soft. So that's the Trinities. Now, to go with the green Trinity necklace that I have, I don't have one to show you because I actually sold it, so I can't show you that. But I made earrings to go with them, and I wanted to show you. Oops, I have, okay, I'll show you. I have this one, and see that? I have two different designs for the Trinity knot earrings. So these are both going to be in green. But they're little stud earrings. Turned out really cute. And this is the other design. So you can see the difference. So one's a more elaborate design and the other one's a simpler knot design. But both in the Trinity theme. So those are those little stud earrings to go with the Trinity collection. So those are new too. And here is, I'll show you here. Here are the the polymer clay beads that I create separately before I embroider them, just to show you what they look like. And so these are firm, already cured, and hand painted. So that's those. Okay, next, all the rest are new now. So I have some Celtic crosses, which I wanted to show you. This is really pretty. In the non-traditional colors, which I like. I like to experiment with different things. So this one I did with light purple and pink, which I think is really pretty. And for the design of the cross, I did in like a gold sheen with a very light pink background. So it just makes the cross pop out a little bit so you can see the design. And then with the gray beads around the edge, I think this color combination just worked out beautifully. Very pretty, very subtle. Even though it's a large piece, it's just really subtle. I like it very much. And this one, you know, you could wear it all year round. You don't have to wear it just for St. Patrick's Day if it's not in the traditional green. Okay, and I have this one, which is another of the cross designs. The same cabochon in a different color. And I have done these beads around the edge, or all different blues and pinks and bronze. They're very, very pretty. And then I did more delicate lacy edge to this piece because it's such a large piece. I wanted to try something a little different, more subtle on the edge. And it has these wonderful cylinder beads that are edged too, which are really nice in the bright golds. So that's really pretty. So that's another one added to the collection. Then I went and did another green one. This one's actually got a crossover edge with the beading. So it's kind of like intertwined on the edge, if you can see that, with the peacock colors and the green. These beads around the edge are in matte, and with the black beads too. I'll turn it over and you can see how the edging kind of intertwines. It's kind of like twisted on the edge. That's pretty cool. And that one there, and then the last one I want to show you is one in bronze and hematite. So this is like in a silver and a bronze color, which is great because it'll kind of go with anything that you wear with these neutral colors. So it's just a simpler design on the edge. It's got the mauve beads on one of the levels there, and then the silver, the dark silver hematite, and then the kind of coppery bronze color with the black. So there you go. So that's the last piece that I have added to this collection this year. So here they all are, so you can see them. If you have any questions about this collection, I'd be more than happy to answer them. You can leave a comment. If you want to see this all on my website, you can go to www.hugsbeads.com. You can subscribe to this channel and click the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can be aware of any videos that I add to my channel. And of course, hit the thumbs up to like this video. Really, really appreciate that. If you want to connect with me more, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm also on Pinterest. So you can find those links in the description box. Okay, thanks for checking out the Celtic collection from Hugs Beads. I'll see you in the next video.